Hey guys, in case any of y'all was wondering what we're doing here, it started snowing here 4 hours ago, southeast Oklahoma. There was nothing on the ground. Now we're, I don't know, we're close to 6 inches already, I know that. Man, nature's just amazing. Go from nothing to just so much. Didn't get none last year, made up for it all in one storm this year. Yeah, we won't be going nowhere for a minute. Austin has started a fire. And we're supposed to get heavier tonight. Yup. What you think?
I think it's kind of light.
It's supposed to get heavier. The night's supposed to be a lot more. We're calling 12 to 18 inches. That's the most we've had in one storm since we've been here.
Yeah, this is definitely the heaviest snowstorm we've had. Everything's a bit thick. Just a little bit thick. I mean, really misleading. Now the snow says everything's flat, but we know it's not.
Yeah, I just slid coming down the driveway. Good time to burn off fires though. Ain't gotta worry about catching the woods on fire. Alright guys, that's a little update from Oklahoma. Y'all be safe, stay warm.